So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the geometry of an image here on Visme. So once Visme is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is go to the left-hand side of your screen, press on the Photos tab right here. Then once you're on this screen, I want you to select a photo that you want to edit the geometry for. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead to where it says All Photos, and how about just view a photo right here of a couple different, paintings, or I guess, paint getting painted on a wall. So I'll make it a little bit larger so that's easier for you guys to see. So pretty straightforward. Now, in order to edit the geometry, it's pretty straightforward as well. Press on the photo, go to the top left here, make sure this edit tab is selected. If it's not, it'll look like this. If it is, it's going to bring up this screen. Then I want you to scroll down to where it says geometry right here, and then press on this drop down menu right here. And now there's a whole bunch of different options. So if you want to change it more so to the right, to the left, to the bottom, to the tilted right, tilted left, top, whatever the case may be, you can play around with it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and press on right for this demonstration, and boom, there you go. A pretty straightforward process, but that's how you guys can edit the geometry of an image here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.